welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is day 15 of our challenge. Today, I'm going to show you some more ways to interact with Facebook posts. We'll be covering how to search for content, how to follow a post, how to turn off notifications, how to save a post, and how to turn off commenting on your own posts. Before I do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, start now by subscribing to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button and then the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. Have you ever seen a post in a group and then later wish you could easily pull it up again? Well, you're in luck. There is a way to do that. I'm on my business page here, but the way to do this is most easily in groups. So I am actually going to pull up a group that I'm part of. Open it there. And if you didn't already know, this is the search bar for all of Facebook. You just type in whatever you're looking for right there. All right, so now that we're on the group, anytime you're in a group and you are like, oh man, I saw this post and I really want to find it again, or maybe you're in a group like this where this is to help educate people. So I bet the same person another person has had the same question as me. And maybe I don't want to wait for a response and I think maybe somebody's already posted about it. I can go ahead and hit this little magnifying glass, which is our search icon, and type in whatever it is that I'm looking for more information on. Okay. I type in heat transfer here. All of these posts have heat transfer listed as part of the post. So on the left, we have more filters. So if you know it's something you saw, you can say you're only searching for posts you've seen. If you want something that's more recent, just put on the most recent filter here, and it will show up in order that they were posted. Reverse order that they were posted. If you remember who it was that posted it, you can type their name in there. If they tagged a location, you can also search for that. And if you remember what year it was, you can search by year. So that is the search feature. And once you found the post you're looking for, you can just click on it. Oops. Oh, good. I thought I clicked the wrong thing. So that brought me right to the post. And let's say this is some really good information and I want to save it. I want to make sure that I have access to it in the future. Or we'll start with that. So I want access to this post quickly in the future. I can hit these three little dots here. And there'll be an option that says Save Post. So I'll go ahead and hit that Save Post button. And you can create groups. Right here there's some collections. So you can see I've made a Cricut group here. I'm going to go ahead and check that box and hit Done. So now later, if I want to come into my saved posts, I can find my Cricut collection, and this will be saved in there for me, so I don't have to come back and hunt for it again. The other thing you might want to do is if you see a question on here and you're really interested in the answers that people are giving on it, you can hit the three little dots, and you can choose to follow it by hitting turn on notifications for this post. So by doing that, anytime somebody leaves a comment, you will get a notification up here in your notification bell. And if you have your phone setting like that, or you have a smartwatch that sends you Facebook notifications, you'll get notifications there as well. Now, on the other side of that, let's say you don't want notifications on a post, whether it's something you've said you did, or maybe you commented on it already. Once you comment on a post, you automatically opt into getting those notifications. So let's say you are posting happy birthday to somebody and everybody else is also posting happy birthday and you don't want that notification every single time. Again, just click on those three little dots there and just hit turn off notifications. Then it won't blow up your phone or your feed or your smartwatch. So that is how you can save, follow, and turn off notifications for a post. Plus, we went over searching. The last thing I want to do is how to turn off commenting for a post. Now, in order to turn off commenting, it will have to be something that you actually posted. So we're going to go back to the social stack. So these are all things that we've posted on my business page. And if I hit the three little dots again, oh, maybe I can't do that on here. let me find, I think it might only work if people are already commenting on it. Let me go to another page that I am an admin on. All right. So it's Jeff's birthday. Happy birthday, Jeff, if you're watching this. Go ahead and click the 3 little dots here, and you can see, as long as you're an admin, you have the ability to turn off commenting. I don't want to do that. I want people to be able to wish Jeff a happy birthday. But just in case you do want to close commenting on a post, you can do that by hitting that turn off commenting button. You could do this if you just don't want people to be talking about it anymore. If the conversation's getting a little crazy, you can turn it off. You can also delete the post altogether. But that actually concludes our training for the day. So go ahead and join me tomorrow for our next challenge. But before that, let me know in the comments which feature you can't wait to use of the following. Do you want to search some more? Do you want to follow? Or do you want to save some of those posts? Then after that, remember to like and subscribe to my channel by clicking that bell for alerts. Just kidding. Click subscribe and then click the bell to get alerts when any new videos become available. After that, I'll see you tomorrow.